I can't pronounce the name of this car, so I'm just going to spell it for you. It's a 1969 AMX. It's a 390 with a 4-speed, great color with the red stripes, tilt wheel, full gauges, power steering, power brakes. Nice, solid car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars. Each one is for sale with a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Yeah, what a good looking little car these are. I have these raised hood with the little louvers in them, just very aggressive looking, nice contoured top of the fender. There's a little dimple right here, like a little something dropped on it. The paint's not chipped, but there's a little dimple. That guy might be able to get that out. Here's a touch up in the paint. So the fender's all nice, clean, straight, no rust. It's all smooth. The lines are real nice, all along here, nice and clean. Jams are nice. Shuts nice, solid with a thunk. The roof line and the quarter panels, all nice, nice body lines. I like this right here, and it's all clean, all straight. This is all looking really good. Trunk, all clean, smooth. Got the AMX right here. You got this nice detail here. This reminds me of the 69 Camaro right there, that body line. And it's smooth all the way down. All nice, all clean. Nice, solid shutting door. So the body looks to be in really, really nice shape. The paint is very, very nice. It's Castillion Gray, I think it is. That's correct according to the tag. The metallic is laid out nice. The clear coat's polished nice and smoothly. Let's call it an 8 out of 10. I did point out that touch up on the other side and maybe, you know, little texture like your new car would have. So still very, very nice paint. The front bumper looks like it's been rechromed. They've added a little spoiler down there to get more air in the radiator, it looks like. The grille has that textured paint. That looks really good. The correct antenna is in the trunk. That'll go with it. The windshield, I'm sure, has been replaced. That's crystal clear. The moldings are straight and look good, and the rain gutters look good. Door handles are a 7 out of 10. They look good. It's got the 5-spoke wheel, and it has that gray textured paint on the spokes. Cooper Cobra tires look to be in real nice shape. The emblems look really good. This whole tail light panel here, really nice. I don't see cracks. The rear bumper's been rechromed. And yeah, the red stripes go all the way over the top. That really makes this car pop. You got a remote mirror over here. That looks like it's about an 8 or 9 out of 10. So nice car. Let's open it up and check out the interior and that 390 motor. All right, this one's got some junk in the trunk. All good stuff though. So under the trunk lid was painted. You can kind of see the trunk light is working. It has the sticker. Weather strip looks really good. Now the photographer just had all of this out. There are pictures on our website of the nice clean trunk compartment. They just put new gears in it, 307 gears, nice cruising gears. Those are probably the originals. Oh yeah, it's heavy. There's the Space Saver spare, which is neat to have with the car, but you'll never use it. So that's why he has this full-size spare. He just put a high torque starter on there. Here's the original. Comes with a really nice soft cloth red car cover. Here's the antenna I talked about. Service books. There's extra headlights, miscellaneous brackets. I think that's the heat riser tube for the air cleaner. So this will all go with it. And if you want to see what it looks like empty, it is on our website. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. Jams are very decent. The weather strips look good. It has a two-tone interior. It does look like it's been reupholstered. The black and the red door panels and the armrests look really nice, really fresh. The dash pad's real nice. The whole instrument panel. The clock was just sent out and rebuilt. That is working. 140 mile an hour speedometer. tachometer. And this is really unique with this little lip right here, this eyelid, the vacuum gauge, oil and alternator gauges. Honestly, I had a hard time finding anything like that online, but obviously it's factory. Has a retro stereo, fits right in the factory location. All this dash pad's real nice. It's not broken up. And here's an owner's manual. Interior lights work. Carpet front to back is really fresh. Got the nice red AMX mats. Big part of the reason I liked it was the 4-speed. This is a fun little car. A fold-down armrest cushion, that was an option. They don't all have that. The two-tone seats feel nice and firm. The one I'm sitting in feels good. All reupholstered. Headrest looks like it's reupholstered. Oh, I don't know how to open it. But no back seat in these. It's all carpeted. This is just the way it would have come from the factory. And this one does have some 3-point seat belts. I don't know if they came with that or if that was added. Well, the trim looks good. Original headliner. In the middle, it is popped down a little bit. Probably not much you can do about that. Visors are real nice. And it has a nice deluxe steering wheel. It's mounted on a tilt column. It's another option. So yeah, pretty nicely equipped car. They had me sold at the 390 with a 4-speed. Everything else is a bonus. According to the casting codes and that is the correct 390 motor for this car. I believe they make 315 horsepower. Claimed to be rebuilt. I can see the gaskets and the freeze plugs look fresh, so I got to believe that. And it runs strong. Edelbrock carburetor hiding underneath there. Does have the correct air cleaner. Yeah, the heat riser tube is not here because they've put on a set of Patriot coated headers. Those are pretty new. And everything else here is proper. Even has the windshield washer squirter bag right there. Stickers and windshield squirters, everything is proper. The batteries secured properly. Now it has an electric fan up front, and then also has the stock fan and shroud to really keep it cool. It has a CRT ignition system, electronic HEI ignition system. And then of course power steering was an option and power brakes. Painted real respectably and has the hood insulation, so pretty complete engine compartment. Now Michael's going to show you how good this motor runs.
Everybody, good old AMX here. I'm always excited when we get one of these at the museum, and this one's really nice. Love the color combo. Really healthy sounding 390 V8 under the hood. This thing started up for me a couple times, absolutely no issue. Seems to be very happy. That's paired up with a good old 4-speed manual. We'll bang that around a little bit, have a good time. Power steering works easily. And does have front power disc brakes as well. Great sounding exhaust here. Really nice comfortable seats too. See what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour. And every time I drive one of these, they just scoop. I really love how nimble and small they are. And, you know, power to weight ratio has to be great on these things. Fantastic experience all the way around. Somebody's going to get a real winner. I encourage you to come test drive it just because it's a heck of a good time. Just give us a day's notice. All the cars are located in a museum environment. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath is solid. The floors really impressed me. They look to be untouched, original, clean floors. Someone did prep them and dusted them with some black paint so they look nice and fresh, but I don't see rust or patches or repairs. The suspension and steering, it's all been maintained as needed. There were some front end links that were just put in. Our shop did look at the, you know, those components and drove the car. So that's all working good. The brakes are working good. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. Dual exhaust, has an H-pipe, has Flowmaster mufflers, sounds real good. Looking up at the motor, it's clean, has that new high torque starter. Does have the T10 4-speed manual trans, which I believe is original for the car. It is dated properly. And then in back, they did just put in 307 gears. That's a nice cruising gear. You can get out on the highway with this thing and go. So not too many people have an AMX. You want to be a little different at the shows, here you go. And this is a great example of one. We get just a few of these a year. They always sell. So if you're destined to buy an AMX, don't hesitate. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman about your questions, like how you're going to get it delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.